Welcome to this quick standing stretch, a great way to refresh your body and mind after sitting for a few hours. You don't need any extra props at all, and we will begin standing with feet hip distance apart. Find your best posture, lengthen the crown of the head up to the ceiling, roll your shoulders back, and if you have the tendency to overarch your lower back like I do, think about lengthening your tailbone down, lengthening through the lower back and lifting up through the lower belly. You can even place your right hand on your belly to start, and then begin to circle your left arm in front of you up to the ceiling, back and down. Try to follow your hand with your eyes to also add the movement in the neck. Make your circles as big as you can, adding also a little twist in the upper back. One more big circle. And switch to the other side. Circle your right arm in front of you, up, back and down. And a gentle twist in the upper back as you circle the arm back and down. This should feel really nice in the back. Just one more circle. And release. Bend your knees and press your hands into the knees. Round the upper back, bring chin to the chest, and take a big breath into your back ribs. Inhale and exhale. Straighten the legs. Find your long lower back again. Place hands to the lower back and then lift your heart up and lean slightly back. Look up towards the ceiling. Find a gentle back bend that feels good in your back. Breathe, lift your heart up. Then bend your knees again. Press your hands into the knees, round the upper back, chin to chest. Big inhale and exhale. And release. Place hands to the back of your head, widen the elbows, lean to the right into side bend, and then to the left into side bend. Move side to side a few times, lengthening one side and then the other. Moving in your own tempo, keeping your elbows wide. Side bend to the right again and pause here. Release your right hand down and straighten your left arm over the head. Push your hips slightly to the left for a bigger stretch on the left side of the body. Then switch to the other side. Release your left arm down. Reach your right arm over the head and gently push the hips to the right. Breathe. And release. Take your feet out wide, turn the toes out, bend the knees and place your hands to the knees. And add in the twist here, drop one shoulder down and then the other, twisting side to side as you gently press your knees out with the hands. You can move a little faster or pause on one side and then another. See what feels good in your body. Let's do one more round, one side and another. Then straighten the legs, bring your feet hip distance apart, parallel to each other. Bend the knees, fall down from the hips, and let your upper body hang heavy over the legs. You can let your arms just hang heavy or hold your elbows and gently sway the body side to side. Relax your lower and upper back, shoulders, head, neck. Take one more breath in, full breath out. Release your elbows and slowly roll up to standing. Take your time. Inhale, reach your arms up to the sky. Exhale, palms together to your heart. I hope you are feeling better after this quick stretch. Let me know in the comments if you do. I wish you a great day and see you in the next video. Bye!